Here again in this rich woods, sort of basically a cove forest, we have the wild blue phlox or the woodland phlox. It has a rather large, showy flower of a delicate sort of bluish lavender color. Like in other phloxes, however, though, the center has a darker color, again to direct the insect pollinator. You can see that the whole flower is basically a tube which enlarges out into the splayed spreading petal parts, but the petals are actually fused into the tube at the base. And it's this narrow tube where down inside that it's where you find the stamens and the style, and of course the insect has to force its tongue down into that tube where it gets covered with pollen, and then later will deposit the pollen. This species is distinct because not only of the large size of its flower, but in the way the leaves are very widely spaced, and there's sort of short downy hairs on the stem and leaves. But when you look at the actual tube of the corolla, it's smooth, not hairy, even though even the calyx lobes, that is the sepals, are also hairy, but the tube of the corolla is not, and the tube of the flower is not. So also there are only a few of the flowers clustered together. That's another distinctive feature, and makes this a very attractive species of phlox, especially when you find it in the shadowy areas of the forest.